Some trucks are not found. They are uncovered, and behind this barn door could be an American legend or an expensive problem waiting in the dark. Before trucks became luxury status symbols, this was what strength looked like: heavy steel, four-wheel drive, and a machine built to work before it was ever built to impress. But finding a legend is not the same as owning one, because after the dust clears, the real questions begin: price, rust, restoration, insurance, and whether this truck is treasure or trouble. Some people see an old truck. Collectors see something else: condition, rarity, history, and a number that can change the room. With a Power Wagon, value is not only about being old. Original parts can raise the price, but a perfect restomod can do the same. The money is in the details. At auction, age alone does not decide the price. The story does, the condition does, the bidders do, and when the gavel falls, the market tells you what the legend is worth. The outside can make you fall in love, but underneath, rust tells the truth. And on a classic Power Wagon, hidden rust can turn a good deal into a very expensive project. Restoration is not just making old paint shine, it is cutting out weak steel, rebuilding what time damaged, and paying skilled hands to make the truck trustworthy again. Sometimes the purchase price is only the opening chapter. The real bill begins when the shop starts counting. Parts, paint, bodywork, and labor hours. That is where a cheap classic can become expensive fast. Before the old truck moves another mile, it needs fuel, and a heavy classic like this was never built to sip quietly. This engine was not built to save fuel. It was built to pull, crawl, and survive work. That is why owning one feels honest, but never cheap. A modern truck is easier to live with. It is quieter, smoother, more efficient. But a Power Wagon gives you something efficiency cannot measure: the feeling of driving American history. With a classic Power Wagon, the repair is only half the problem. First, you have to find the part, and sometimes the rarest piece of the truck is the one missing from the shelf. Not every replacement part means the same thing. An original part can protect the story. A reproduction part can save the build. But with a collectible truck, even small parts can change the value. Sometimes the part is not on a shelf. It is not in a catalog. It does not show up at the swap meet. So the owner pays for something more expensive than a part, skilled hands, to make it from nothing. When a truck becomes collectible, insurance changes. It is no longer just about fixing damage. It is about protecting the value everyone agrees this truck is worth. After restoration, the enemy is not only the road, it is moisture, time, battery drain, and neglect. A collectible truck does not just need a garage, it needs protection. Once a Power Wagon becomes valuable, you do not just park it, you protect it, you document it, you move it carefully. Because at this point, the truck is no longer just transportation, it is an asset. A collectible vehicle is only valuable if people still want it. And decades later, people still stop for the Power Wagon. That attention is not just nostalgia, it is market demand. Collectors do not only buy the truck, they buy proof. Proof that the engine belongs to it, proof that the history is real, and sometimes that proof is worth more than horsepower. A rare truck without demand is just an old truck, but when collectors still chase it, when enthusiasts still remember it, and when buyers still compete for it, demand becomes value. Modern trucks assist the driver. A Power Wagon asks the driver to work. The steering is heavier, the brakes feel older, and every mile reminds you, this machine came from a different time. It was never built to be fast, it was built to keep moving when the road stopped being easy. That is the Power Wagon's real talent. You can drive it in the modern world, but it will never feel like it belongs to the modern world. A new truck is easier. The Power Wagon is not easy. That is part of why people remember it. A classic truck keeps value when the story is documented. Photos, service records, appraisals, proof of what was repaired, and proof of what stayed original. Because in the collector world, paperwork can protect the price. Originality attracts one kind of buyer. A perfect custom build attracts another. But the wrong build choice can cost more than the parts themselves. Because resale value starts with the story you decide to build. The truck is steel, but the value is the story. Where it worked, who owned it, how it survived, and whether the next buyer believes that history is worth paying for. Owning a Power Wagon is not light, not financially, not mechanically, not emotionally, because every piece of this truck carries weight: the rust, the fuel, the restoration, the insurance, and the history. But for the right owner, that weight is the reason it matters. The Power Wagon is not easy, it is not efficient, it is not modern. But when it moves down an American back road, it feels like history still has an engine. The Power Wagon was built to work, built to carry weight, built to survive. But the next rare truck was built to embarrass sports cars. Which rare truck should we dissect next? the GMC Cyclone.